Hello friends, welcome to Recipes Old and New. Today we are going to make murgir paturi, that is chicken wrapped in banana leaf. Let's get started. I have taken finely chopped 250 grams of boneless chicken. Now add 2 tablespoons of curd, half teaspoon of garlic paste, 3/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix them nicely. And marinate it for 1 hour. Let's take 1 tablespoon of black mustard seed, 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds, a pinch of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder in a mixer grinder jar and make a fine powder. Now add 2 green chilies, 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of coconut milk powder, and make a fine paste. This is the perfect consistency. Let's add the paste to the marinated chicken. Also add 3 to 4 tablespoons of mustard oil, mix them nicely. And marinate it for 15 minutes more. Now take 10 inches by 8 inches sized 6 to 7 banana leaf and lightly roast them on a hot pan or directly on a glass flame. You know banana leaves are quite brittle, so you have to make them a bit soft first by this process. Otherwise it will be very difficult to wrap them. In this way, first roast all the banana leaves. Now let's place the roasted banana leaf on a plate and put 2 tablespoons of marinated chicken on it. Add a green chili also. Wrap the banana leaf and tie it up with a thread like this. After completion of wrapping all the banana leaves with chicken mix, keep them aside on a plate. Now let's heat up a pan and add 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Spread the oil evenly on the pan. Put all the wrapped chicken on the frying pan. And cover it with a lid. Roast for 7 minutes on a medium heat. Then turn all the wrapped chicken upside down one by one. Again roast them for 7 minutes on medium heat. Let's shift them from the pan to a serving plate. Turn off the heat. Our chicken wrapped in banana leaves is ready to serve. It is best enjoyed with hot steamed rice. If you enjoyed the video, do share it with your friends and family. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel Recipes Old and New will be highly appreciated. Press the bell icon to get notification of our new videos. Until next time, this is Recipes Old and New. Namaskar.